Hey everybody, it's Miss A and I'm here with the recap video for our STEM Fair lesson for today. Today we worked on purpose and hypothesis. It's week 3 for our STEM Fair. So the standard we worked on is what are we supposed to learn? Again, we are using appropriate reference materials that support an understanding to obtain information. Our central question is how can we use research to create a justified hypothesis? So what is a purpose? The stuff that is underlined and bolded is what the children should be writing in their notebook. Scientists always have a reason behind their experiment, which is called the purpose. The purpose is more than just restating the question. It should explain why the question is being explored and who may benefit from the information that may be gained. So they should be writing reason behind their experiments, restating the question, why, and who would benefit. And there is a notebook stop, and this is what their homework is for Friday. What is the purpose of our STEM Fair experiment? Who will benefit from this information? Please remember to title this section Purpose. Don't forget to put a date. So there's an example of a sample log. Those are the notes, Monday memo. It's due Friday the 27th. You must answer the question, who will benefit, who does this project help? And there's the question STEM. This is how they should be starting it. The purpose of my STEM Fair project is. And there is a sample right there. And it answers those things. It answers who it'll help, why we're doing it, and it restates the question. The purpose of the experiment is to find out if the height of the ramp affects how fast an object rolls down. That's restating, so that it can help my principal. That's who it will help. Find the safest way down. This information will be helpful to my principal and others who are in wheelchairs. How do you make a hypothesis statement? When you make a hypothesis statement, we write what we believe will happen, supported by a because statement. Without that, the hypothesis is not done. Based on our research, we must include evidence from our research to justify our thinking when we write a hypothesis. And this is part of their Friday homework. What is the hypothesis of our STEM Fair experiment? Explain what makes this a good hypothesis. Make sure the title entry is hypothesis and includes a date. So here it's our process skill of connecting, predicting, and hypothesizing. It's due on the 29th. A hypothesis must include a because statement. So those are the notes that should be written in the children's notebook. And here's our STEM starter. The hypothesis of my project is because based on information or based on my research. And then here is a sample hypothesis log. And here are some other examples. Research. Students who attend school regularly are paying attention, are able to learn and engage in meaningful activities, to hear the information that the teacher planned for them, and they are able to participate in activities that will help them learn and remember the materials. So basically this hypothesis is saying is that there isn't a substitution for being in class. That although the YouTube videos are great, they only give you part of the information. We're taking a 45-minute lesson and I'm putting it into like a 7-minute YouTube video. It's not going to give you everything. Now, it does help you remember stuff later, but you can't learn just from a short video. So that is what, that was our PowerPoint that we had today. And I want to go ahead and show you the notebooks. So here is the kids' notebook for today. We have our purpose sticker, which has that information there. We have the date, Monday memo. First thing we wrote was homework because our research, since I needed to get some more books and have some more accessibility for the children, our research notes are due on Wednesday, so they put that in there. Today I learned. So that's their STEM starter for what they learned in my lesson. There has to be a reason behind an experiment. In a purpose, we must restate the question, explain why, and tell who will benefit. So here's an example. This is from my STEM fair project that I'm going to do. Which gel nail polish lasts longest without chipping on natural nails? As a person who appreciates manicured nails, but not the expense, it is important to me to determine the most cost-effective and durable polish. So that says, it restates my question. It explains why I like manicures, and it tells who will benefit. Well, me. I'll benefit. Society will benefit. And here's the STEM starter. The purpose of my investigation is. So that was the purpose notes. They left this page blank, so that way they wrote the due date again. They need to write their purpose for their STEM fair project. And the restated question, let me go back to that, for the morning class is, does using a window shade bring down the inner temperature of a vehicle? That's my morning class. And the afternoon class, their question is, which is the most effective way to cool a soda below 50 degrees? So, AM class has the car and window shade topic. PM class has the cooling a soda can. So that is so just so you have that information. And then the second part of our lesson was the hypothesis. So we have our hypothesis sticker, the date, Monday memo, the date it's due. Here's our test. It's a testable prediction. So hypothesis should have an if, then, because statement. So if tells me the one thing that I'm going to change. Let me put a little note there. The if is the one change. The then is what you think the results will be or what you're measuring. And because is based on research. So here's my example. I think gel polish will last longer on natural nails because gel polish requires a UV light to dry the polish, allowing it to harden instantly. And when I mean instantly, I mean by the time the light goes off, the polish is dry. Where with other nail polish, it takes longer to dry. So that's my hypothesis based on research. My research of gel polish says that it requires a UV light. So that's bringing in what I learned from my research notes in order to create my testable prediction. So that is a recap of our STEM fair lesson for today. I hope this helps everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember, research notes are due on Wednesday morning. So first thing they come in, they put it on my guided table, and then the purpose and hypothesis are due on Friday morning. Purpose can be done tonight or tomorrow. Hypothesis needs to wait until they finalize their research. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.